The Frigidaire Dryer E66 error code is an indication of a problem with the dryer's moisture sensing system. This system is designed to detect the moisture levels in the clothes and adjust the drying time accordingly. When the E66 error code appears, it means that the system is malfunctioning and needs to be troubleshooted. To troubleshoot the E66 error code, start by checking the moisture sensing bars located inside the dryer drum. These bars can become clogged with lint and debris, causing the system to malfunction. Unplug the dryer and remove any lint or debris that may be accumulated on the bars. Use a soft brush or a cloth to clean the bars and ensure they are free from any blockages. Next, check the moisture sensing system wiring and connections. Make sure that all connections are secure and not damaged. If you find any damaged wires or connections, replace them with new ones. Also, check the moisture sensing system sensor and ensure it is properly aligned and not damaged. If the problem persists, reset the dryer by unplugging it and plugging it back in. This will reset the system and may resolve the issue. If the error code still appears, it may be necessary to replace the moisture sensing system or the control board. It is also important to check the dryer venting system to ensure it is not clogged. A clogged venting system can cause the dryer to overheat and trigger the E66 error code. Check the venting system and clean it if necessary. In some cases, the E66 error code may be caused by a faulty control board. If you have tried all the above steps and the error code still appears, it may be necessary to replace the control board. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the Frigidaire Dryer E66 error code. Remember to always unplug the dryer before attempting any repairs and to follow all safety precautions. If you are not comfortable with DIY repairs, it is recommended to call a professional appliance technician to fix the issue.